Hi, this is a automation work and we will try to automate our Google form responses so that we can reduce our work hour and also we can reduce our work of doing the boring things. So the objective in this video is to mark the students based on their attendance, which we collect through Google form. So this is a Google form which I use to collect the attendance of the students. In this Google form, I have field like email, WhatsApp number, some basic things and date attended class. So the student has to put the date on which he has attended the class. After all the entries will be done, then we can generate one response sheet from this attendance book. Now the objective, as I told, is to make the work automatic. Like when we give number to a student based on the attendance, what we do, we calculate the number of classes he or she has attended and we calculate the total number of classes. So then we choose a percentage based system or some other mechanism to mark him or her. So this is a very much boring stuff, boring work, and also at the same time this is a very time taking task. Calculating the attendance of the students, each students actually, for all the classes, then noting it down, then individually marking them. So this takes time. In this video we will see how we have automated the process. So this is a Google form by which we are taking the attendance from the class students. So now after taking the attendance, we now have a attendance sheet, response sheet like this one. So here the name of the students and here date attended class, where they have put the dates on which they have attended the class. So now we will use this Excel SX file to calculate their marks based on the attendance, and it will be done automatically. So it will reduce our work hour and reduce the boring stuff of our daily work. A similar way also we can automate every Google form based on their need, and these things comes based on our needs. Sometimes we do things repeatedly and we find that doing these things is not making us enrichable in terms of knowledge gain. So we are doing the same thing, same boring things again and again, and we are nothing but wasting time. So it is very much important that we automate these type of stuffs. So I have created a software that will take this Excel SX file as input and give the attendance mark for each student. So now we will see how this works. So this is my basically actually the software by which we are going to calculate the attendance of each student and based on which we will give the marks. So here, as you can see, this is the software, this one, and after running it we will get one black window like this one, and then we have to enter our actual attendance Excel sheet, that's Google form by which we have collected the attendances. Now here the path of the file is this location, so I am copying it, and then all I have to do is I have to go to this window and I have to give the location. So here I am giving the path, and then in this path I am pointing to the attendance.excelSX file, which have all the entries of all the students for daily class attendance. Now let's see what happens on the software. So once I click enter after giving the name of the attendance sheet, so I get some choices to give the number to the students. If I suppose the maximum number is 10, then one teacher may opt for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, or some teacher may opt for giving number to students from 9, that is less than 1, to the maximum mark that can be given. So different teachers have their own choices. So it is giving me 3 choices here. Now let me opt for the second choice here. I am entering 2 here. Now after entering 2, what I am getting the name of the students, those have filled the Google form, their percentage of attendance, and together I am getting their marks. So these marks actually are coming automatically based on their percentage, and for these I don't have to calculate the number of class each student had attended and the total number of class, and then do the all calculation and then marking them. So all the boring stuff of counting and assigning mark against each student is getting reduced here. I can directly see the marks. So also this software gives me option for saving the marks in Excel format. So again it is asking me to enter the path in which the final mark sheet will be saved. Let me put here this path, and I am naming the output Excel file that will contain the marks of the students as marks. Now see, in this directory till now we don't have any mark file, but after entering the file and file name and the path in the software, we will be having exactly this file marks.excelSX, which will contain all the marks of all the students. Now this is the Excel sheet that is just created. So we can see here the marks assigned to each student based on their attendance. This way we can automate our boring stuffs that we do using Google Form.